Welcome to our comprehensive YouTube video on how to boil eggs and cook them to perfection. In this extensive guide, we will cover everything you need to know about boiling eggs, including cooking times for different levels of doneness, various cooking methods, and additional tips and tricks for perfect results. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned cook, this guide will help you achieve eggs cooked just the way you like them. Get ready to elevate your egg cooking skills to the next level. 1. Introduction to boiling eggs. Before we dive into the specifics, let's start with the basics of boiling eggs. In this segment, we'll cover 1. Egg selection. Understand the importance of selecting fresh eggs for optimal flavor and ease of peeling. 2. Room temperature eggs. Learn why starting with eggs at room temperature is beneficial for even cooking. 3. Choosing the right pot. Explore the best types of pots or saucepans for boiling eggs and ensuring even heat distribution. 2. Soft-boiled eggs. Soft-boiled eggs with a luscious, runny yolk and delicate whites are a delight to enjoy. In this segment, we'll explore how to cook soft-boiled eggs to perfection. 1. Water level and timing. Discover the ideal water level in the pot and the precise cooking time needed for a soft-boiled egg with a creamy yolk. 2. Tips for consistent results. Learn techniques for achieving consistent results every time, such as using a timer and adjusting cooking times based on egg size and altitude. 3. Serving suggestions. Explore different ways to enjoy soft-boiled eggs, including as a topping for salads, ramen, or toast soldiers for dipping. 3. Medium-boiled eggs. Medium-boiled eggs strike the perfect balance between a slightly firm yolk and tender whites. In this segment, we'll cover cooking medium-boiled eggs. 1. Adjusting cooking times. Understand how to adjust the cooking time slightly to achieve the desired texture for a medium-boiled egg. 2. Cooling and peeling techniques. Discover effective methods for cooling the eggs and peeling them easily, ensuring minimal damage to the egg whites. 3. Creative uses. Explore innovative ways to use medium-boiled eggs in recipes, such as in grain bowls, noodle dishes, or as a protein-packed snack. 4. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs with a fully set yolk are versatile and can be used in various dishes or enjoyed on their own. In this segment, we'll discuss cooking hard-boiled eggs. 1. Water to egg ratio. Find the right ratio of water to eggs for boiling to ensure even cooking and prevent cracking. 2. Cooking times for different preferences. Learn how to achieve different levels of doneness for hard-boiled eggs, from slightly soft centers to fully set yolks. 3. Peeling techniques. Explore different methods for peeling hard-boiled eggs effortlessly, including the classic tap and roll technique and using baking soda or vinegar. 5. Exploring alternative cooking methods. While boiling is the traditional method, there are other ways to cook eggs with unique results. In this segment, we'll cover alternative cooking methods. 1. Steaming eggs. Discover the steaming method, which produces silky, custard-like eggs with a smooth texture. 2. Baking eggs. Learn how to bake eggs in the oven, allowing you to cook multiple eggs simultaneously and achieve consistent results. 3. Poaching eggs. Master the art of poaching eggs to create beautifully runny yolks and firm whites, perfect for eggs Benedict or salads. 6. Tips, tricks, and troubleshooting. To help you become an egg cooking expert, we'll share some valuable tips, tricks, and troubleshooting advice. 1. Adding flavor. Explore different ways to infuse flavors into your boiled eggs, such as adding herbs, spices, or aromatics to the cooking water. 2. Dealing with difficult-to-peel eggs. Learn techniques for handling eggs that are challenging to peel, including using older eggs, shocking in ice water, or gently rolling the egg to loosen the shell. 3. Storing boiled eggs. Discover proper storage techniques to keep boiled eggs fresh and prevent odors from seeping into the eggs. 4. Creative recipes. Get inspired by creative recipes that go beyond the traditional uses of boiled eggs, such as egg salad variations, Scotch eggs, or pickled eggs. Congratulations! You have now become a pro at boiling eggs and cooking them to perfection. With the knowledge of different cooking times, various methods, and valuable tips and tricks, you are well equipped to create delicious boiled eggs that suit your taste preferences. Whether you enjoy soft-boiled, medium-boiled, or hard-boiled eggs, or want to explore alternative cooking methods, the possibilities are endless. So, get cracking and start experimenting with different recipes and techniques. Enjoy the versatile and nutritious delight of perfectly boiled eggs.